In this video, you will learn how to pay with metapay on Instagram. Set up metapay. Go to your Instagram profile, tap on the menu, then navigate to settings and privacy, orders and payment methods. Then add your debit or credit card or PayPal. Look for buy or donate options. While browsing Instagram shops or fundraisers, tap options like buy now, add to cart or donate when it's available. Select metapay at checkout. On the checkout screen, choose metapay as your payment method to proceed securely. Confirm payment information. Review your saved payment information, your shipping address and other contact details. Confirm the payment using your PIN or biometric authentication. Complete the purchase. Tap Confirm Payment to finalize your order. You will receive a confirmation in the app. Track your order. Check your order history under Orders and Payment in Instagram settings to view your details and track delivery. Now you know how to pay with metapay on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.